Is breakfast really the most important meal of the day? Well, what you eat in the morning can definitely set the tone for your entire day. One study showed that a healthy breakfast is linked to better nutrient intake and improved overall health. But not all breakfasts are created equal. The quality matters a lot. So, what should you eat in the morning to stay healthy and energetic all day? Keep watching, because today, we're resharing the top 10 morning foods that are easy to prepare and great for your health. Let's start with number 1, eggs. Want to start your morning with something simple and nutritious? Eggs are the best option. They're packed with protein and healthy fats, which keep you feeling full for longer and help with weight management, all while giving you plenty of energy. Research has even shown that when people eat eggs for breakfast, they tend to consume fewer calories throughout the day. Plus, the yolk contains antioxidants that can help prevent eye disorders and improve your vision. Eggs are also one of the best sources of choline, a vital nutrient for brain development and liver function. You can make an omelette, scramble it in, or just boil them. Pair them with whole grain toast or some sautéed veggies, and you've got a delicious, complete breakfast. Coming in at number 2 is oatmeal. This is a true powerhouse, rich in carbs, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Just 1 cup gives you around 13 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber, plus essential minerals like iron and zinc. Flax seeds are an amazing source of essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids. This essential fat helps lower bad cholesterol levels and reduces inflammation that can lead to chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. But that's not all. Flaxseed is also a great source of fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Wondering how to add them to your diet? It's easy. Just blend them into your morning smoothie or sprinkle them as a topping on your oatmeal. If you're looking for weight loss benefits, try mixing them with yogurt. This powerful combination can boost your metabolism and keep you healthy and fit. At number 4, we have berries. How about starting your day with something sweet and healthy? Berries are the perfect way to do that. They're delicious, colorful, and absolutely brimming with health benefits. One study found that the high intake of antioxidants found in berries is linked to a lower risk of heart disease. They're also rich in fiber, which helps you stay full until lunchtime and can lower your overall calorie intake. You can add them to your smoothie, yogurt, or oatmeal, or just enjoy them on their own. They taste amazing. Any way you have them, if you're using frozen berries, just double check that they don't have any added sugar. Moving on to number 5, whole wheat toast. This isn't just any toast. Whole wheat toast is nutrient dense, with lots of fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Because of this, it helps you feel full for longer and can even give your metabolism a little boost. Whole wheat bread also has fewer calories than white bread. And here's a cool trick. When you toast it, the glucose level in the bread changes, which significantly lowers its glycemic index, making it even healthier. It is super easy to work into your diet because it goes with so many things and is perfect for busy people on the go. Pair it with eggs or some nut butter to enhance both the taste and the nutritional value. We've made it halfway through our list, and I really hope you're enjoying it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content just like this. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 6 on our list is nuts and nut butter. A handful of nuts is a fantastic way to start your day. They are rich in protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Studies have shown that eating nuts is linked to a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. They're also full of antioxidants that fight inflammation. But what makes them a perfect morning food is their high fiber and protein content. This gives you a ton of energy for your daily tasks, helps ward off fatigue, and can even reduce your daily calorie intake. Nut butter is also a great breakfast choice. It pairs well with almost everything, from fruits to smoothies to toast. The options are endless if you're short on time but still want a protein-packed breakfast. Number 7, protein shakes are the way to go. They give you your morning dose of protein, which keeps you full for a long time. The best part? They're low in calories, making them great if you're on a weight loss journey. You can easily customize them by adding your favorite fruits, vegetables, seeds, or nuts. It's a simple way to add more vitamins and minerals to your diet. To get the most benefit, always check the ingredients and choose a protein powder without added sugar or artificial sweeteners. Try adding them to your oatmeal with some nut butter and a sprinkle of seeds. This delicious combination will supercharge you for the day ahead Next, at number 9, is Greek yogurt. This nutritious, light, and super healthy food makes a perfect morning meal. It's rich in protein and calcium and contains probiotics, which support a healthy gut and immune system. They're easy, healthy, and most importantly, delicious. After your nutritious breakfast, consider going for morning meditation or some light exercise. It will make your morning routine even healthier and more positive. I know it can be hard to build new habits, but this one will pay off forever and make your life more beautiful. Will you start eating these foods after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy.